How are you doing these days? I think the past 2 weeks in November, I hit one of my lowest point in my life. I've been dealing with a lot of physical issues, so most days I just rested. I barely did anything. I just laying on bed the whole day. And since I'm not working a 9 to 5 job anymore, everything felt even heavier. I've been sitting with a lot of anxiety and uncertainty too, not knowing what's next, not knowing what I'm supposed to do. I guess I put a lot of expectation on myself with this art journey also, so sometimes it just feels so overwhelming. So lately I try to slow down. I stop pushing myself to create too much. I just been drawing, painting, some small stuff, and doing whatever I feel gently called to do. Even a tiny sketch helped me feel calmer and more grounded. And through all of this, I started to really appreciate the experience. I'm moving through it and I'm learning from it, and I'm trying to receive whatever lesson the face is teaching me. On some days when I feel a bit better, I work on this tiny painting. I call her my angel guide. Painting her brought me a small moment of joy and comfort. Through this piece, I wanted to express a soft, healing energy, like an angel quietly guiding me through this struggling time. I keep reminding myself without the low moment, we wouldn't recognize the highs. I really feel like this is a transition phase in my life, something I needed to go through to let go of what no longer fits my life and to get ready for the next chapter. There were many moments when I wanted so badly to create something, but my body couldn't. I felt guilty for laying down all day, for not creating any artwork, for not producing content like I planned. But every time I tried to push myself, my body just said no. And I was so scared that if I didn't upload videos regularly, my channel would suffer. Social media could be very demanding, and if you're not anchored, it gets overwhelming so quickly. Then I had to ask myself, am I creating from a place of love or from fear? I want my art to come from love, not from fear, from desperation. If my body feels tired and empty, that's a sign that I couldn't ignore. I need to slow down. And if I force myself to create content while feeling uninspired, I'm creating from lack, not love. And that pulls my art further away from my truth. Slowing down these days gave me a chance to reflect a lot, and honestly, I'm grateful in the end, even though it looks like struggling time, I believe everything happened for a reason and happened for me, not against me. I feel so much more grateful now every time I'm able to paint. Going through this low phase really taught me to appreciate each moment a little more. I enjoy the brushstroke more. I enjoy the process more. I originally started my portrait challenge hoping to complete a portrait every 2 days, but with all the physical issues I've been facing now, I simply couldn't keep up with that schedule anymore. And now I'm learning that it's okay. It doesn't matter as much anymore. I remind myself not to feel guilty or to be too harsh on myself. My body is just trying to tell me something, to be gentler, to listen to my heart more. It's the feeling and the passion I put into each artwork that truly matter, quality over quantity. So what matters most is enjoying the journey, because only when I'm enjoying the process I learn the most, not when I push myself so hard that I burn out. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you enjoy painting, have fun with your art, and I'm grateful that I can still create and paint with you. See you soon in my next video.